Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a tutorial on this beautiful look right here, and I used only NYX products in this particular video, so it's like a one brand tutorial. So let's quickly get started. So we're going to get started with our eyebrows. Now if you guys have been following me since a very long time, I absolutely love this brow gel from NYX. I've been using since years and years now. Now we are going to move on to our eyes. We're going to complete our eyes first. So first I'm going to start by priming them with the NYX HD concealer and then just blend it out with a brush or a beauty blender. Once we've primed our eyes, we are going to move on to the eyeshadows. For that, I'm going to be using this Lingerie Palette, and I'm using this creamy white shade to set the concealer. And I absolutely love this palette, you guys. It's one of the palettes that I use on an everyday basis. So now I just use that purpley pinky shade as my transition shade. And then I am going to be using this beautiful burnt orange shade right in my crease. And you know what, guys, that's it for the eyeshadows. We are gonna straight away move on to our wing liner. So the star of this look, the NYX Vivid Brights liner, I'm gonna be applying this in a wing shape. And as you guys can see, these are super pigmented liners. I absolutely love these. So now we are just gonna move on to our face and then complete our eyes after the face is done. So we're gonna start off with primer. The primer that I'm using is the Total Control Drop Primer, and I've been loving this primer recently. It's very good for oily skin, hydrating, blurring. It does everything, you guys. Love this one. Obviously, I am going to be using a foundation, and the foundation that I'm using is the Total Control Drop Foundation. This is like my all-time favorite foundation. As I'm an oily skin type of a person, just sits so well, so smoothly on my face. And then for concealer, I'm using my NYX HD concealer. Now I stopped using this concealer because I felt like, it gives me a little bit of texture, but this time I made sure that I apply the concealer only under my eyes. I did not want to, drag the concealer on my nose or around my mouth because it looks very cakey otherwise. And then I'm going to set everything with this banana shade from the NYX Contour and Highlight palette. And as you guys can see, this is so brightening. I loved this. And then we're going to complete our eyes. I'm just taking the same burnt orange shade and applying it very close to my lash line and just smudging it a little bit. And then just blending it out with a tapered brush. And then we are just going to apply some mascara. For that, I'm using the What the Hype mascara. Again, love this mascara, guys. It literally separates your lashes as well as gives you a lot of volume. And then I'm just gonna line my waterline with this NYX Faux black liner. And since this look is so dramatic but yet so effortless, it calls for falsies, you guys. For this, I'm using my Henaa beauty falsies in the style Inayaat. I love these falsies, you guys. You should definitely try it out. They are so easy to use. So now let's move on to bronzing our face. For that, I'm using my NYX bronzer. Again, a long lost love of mine. Love this bronzer as well. Then for blush, I'm using my NYX Sweet Cheeks palette and the burnt orangey pink shade, and I'm applying it right at the apples of my cheeks. Again, this palette is so beautiful, you guys. I love all the shades in this particular palette. Then for highlighter, I'm using this Avivii Glow liquid highlighter. Now I do not actually like this, but I do not have a highlighter from NYX, so I went ahead and applied this, and I felt like I needed a little bit of oomph, so I went ahead and applied another eyeshadow from the NYX palette, and then I got my desired blinding highlight. And then for my lips, I am using my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade San Francisco. Oh my god, the shade is so pretty, you guys. And then the last step is setting everything with the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. So guys, this is the end result. I absolutely loved how this turned out. It's so dramatic yet so easy to do. I hope you guys like this particular tutorial. Let me know in the comments below which one brand tutorials y'all would like to see in the future. So yeah, that's it. Please give it a thumbs up if y'all did like it, and I'll see y'all in my next one very soon. Until then, bye.